Subscribe to our channel for new update and press the bell icon. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tutoring Planet. Our today's topic is Essay on Nature. Nature is the physical world or universe. It is the greatest blessing for human life. Nature is everything around us, like the water we drink, the sun we soak in, the breath we breathe, the moon we stare at, and more. We can't live on earth without nature. Humans must understand every aspect of nature. For example, plants, animals, rivers, mountains, greenery, hills, the moon, and many more are of equal importance to us. Humans need three basic things to survive on earth: food, including water, shelter, and clothing. All these basic needs are met by nature. But with the advancement of technology, people are not paying attention to nature. To protect nature, we need to plant more trees, save water, and reduce electricity consumptions. Overpopulation is one of the biggest problems affecting the natural cycle. To protect nature, we must take immediate and drastic steps to prevent further damage. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.